Hello, fellow foodies and culinary critics. Get ready to buckle up and join me on a wild ride as we dive into the world of 6.6 million views, where the chicken fillet reigns supreme. Our journey begins with two chicken breasts, ruthlessly cubed like they've been caught in a game of Tetris gone wrong. The brave chef then proceeds to perform the sacrilegious act of salting right on the cutting board. A pinch of pepper joins the party, and I can't help but wonder if the fillet is aware of the impending doom. Next, our chef prepares the casserole dish with a drizzle of vegetable oil, which he rubs in with all the tenderness of a rushed morning routine. The cubed fillets are sent into this oily abyss, scattered like the remains of a lost chicken civilization. And then, the interesting and tasty filling. 2 chicken eggs, I assume from a distant relative of the fillets, a medley of Italian herbs that would make an Italian nonna weep, a pinch of salt, and various other ingredients are thrown into the mix. The sour cream is added without a care for the fat content, because who needs the specifics when you're cooking for millions, right? Next, the chef grates hard cheese with the fervor of a man on a mission, only to then add it to the filling like an afterthought. Am I the only one missing the logic here? The filling is then poured over the chicken, followed by thinly sliced tomatoes, which I'm pretty sure we're thinking they'd end up in a salad. The remaining cheese is sprinkled on top, and then the dish is covered with foil. Because apparently, we're not just cooking here, we're also playing hide and seek. After what seems like an eternity or 35 minutes in human time, the foil is removed and the dish is declared done. The chef then has the audacity to claim that it smells amazing. Well, if you're into the smell of confusion and culinary chaos, then sure, it must be a sensory delight. Finally, the dish is sprinkled with herbs and served, as if the herbs can erase the memory of the gastronomic roller coaster we've just been on. The chef signs off with a cheerful goodbye, leaving us dazed, amused, and slightly terrified for the future of chicken fillets. So, folks, the next time you're in the kitchen, spare a thought for the humble chicken fillet. Treat it with respect, cook it with love, and for the love of all that is tasty, please don't play Tetris with it. Until next time, stay hungry and stay critical. Goodbye, and remember, there's always a better way to cook.